As Christian creators, we feel that God is wanting us to have a Christian channel to show about his love, but too many times we put up a video and we don't get any views. Nobody cares. And I want to show you a powerful thumbnail secret that will change your channel forever. Not just for you, but for God. When it comes to thumbnails, this is going to change everything for your channel. And it is such a powerful secret that once you know this, once you understand it, then you will not be able to unsee it. My name is Craig and this is Morningstar Better Thumbnails, and I'm all about not making thumbnails great, just make them better. Okay, so you're trying to make your thumbnails fantastic. You're trying to get anyone to listen. But I want to show you a way that you don't have to yell. You can just tone it down a little bit. But it is all about your audience. Let me show you what I mean. This is the Christian Creator Triangle. This triangle, for me, is everything. And once I understood this, it just made so much more sense. And believe me, you will not be able to think of it the same way again. Number one, we have the title. Now, when it comes to the title, everything is about the title. It has to be intriguing, but it has to be intriguing for your audience, no one else's, your audience. Now, obviously, you need to know who your audience is. And I do go through that in this channel, so please subscribe and we will talk about that more. But the title needs to be intriguing. Too many times we make these video titles and they're just Corinthians 1, today's morning Bible reading. At the end of the day, that's not really, I mean, would you click on that? You might, but you'll be one in very few. What we need to do is make it more intriguing for your audience. And it could be something that you're drawing out of that verse, which could be, what's another one? For Easter, Psalm 22. I never knew that when Jesus was on the cross and he was saying, my God, why have you forsaken me? He was actually talking about Psalm 22. Now, I'm not going to go into detail with that, but would I just say Psalm 22 or this Easter, Psalm 22? No, let's make it more intriguing, but I mean, I can make it so exaggerated that I'm trying to force people to watch it or click on it. What about if I just say something like, this Psalm changed Easter for me forever? Because it has, and I can then show more emotion. I can give more of a story and make it more intriguing, which takes me to the next point, your actual thumbnail. Now, too many times we duplicate it and we'll say, this verse changed everything for me for Easter. And then I would repeat that in the thumbnails. Now, I don't know about you, but it's a waste of real estate. And at the end of the day, we've just read that in the title, or vice versa. But the thumbnail needs to be, I guess, a little bit more coming at it from a different angle. Like the title is describing what's happening or making something intriguing, whereas the thumbnail is more of a feeling. Why is that? Maybe you could say, this verse changed Easter. This verse changed Easter for me. And in the thumbnails, it would say forever. It's just adding to it. Now, the other part is the actual video. Now, so many times but I have seen so many times when someone does a video, they start with telling me about their morning, why they haven't posted for a while. Thanks for supporting me. Hi, Mum. Oh, don't get me started. See, the problem here is we've clicked on a title that says Easter will never be the same again. And on the thumbnail, it says this verse changed everything. And then on the video, We're talking about what? Our day. Sorry, I haven't posted in a while. We want to know, if we are your audience, we want to know what the subject's about. If you want to do those things, do that at the end, but don't do it in the beginning. Cut to the chase, as they would say. Mike Winger calls this the happy sandwich. This is the sandwich between title, thumbnail, and video. It's a 3-layered sandwich. Everything flows together. They don't repeat each other. They are of all one voice. So the title is everything about sketching a scene. It's like the parables. When Jesus was talking to everybody, say on the mount or wherever, he sketched parables. And the first line, the first paragraph sketches everything and just draws you in, so intriguing. Then the next part is the thumbnail describes the action. It doesn't tell you what's happening. It just shows you. Maybe doesn't give you full context, but gives you enough to draw you in. And then the video itself, you deliver and you show the results. You deliver, but again, don't tell a story, you are showing it. And this will take practice. It always takes practice. You need to do it more and more. You're using your Christian creator triangle muscle, and it will get stronger each time. I'm not saying I'm perfect, but you can experiment. You can try something. You can look at it. And each time you're learning one thing at a time. Go create something awesome for God, and I'll catch you in the next one.